Alright, so to check and perform the firmware update on your Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 Mini bone conduction headphones, you gotta first make sure you have installed the Shokz app on your paired device. And then make sure OpenRun Pro 2 is connected to the app. If there is an update, as soon as you open the app, a check update pop-up prompt should appear. Now, just in case if it doesn't, just tap on this wheel icon and then hit settings and then just tap on upgrade firmware. It was already showing a red dot. That means there is an update pending. So if an update is available, this page will appear and show the requirements, including how much charge your paired device and your OpenRun need before you can start the update process. Along with the information, you'll also see the current version and the new update version in here. If all is okay, just tap on update now. The software update should start immediately, and as prompted, just make sure not to leave this section until it's completed. And when it's done, it'll show firmware updated. So this is the way you can update firmware on your Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. Thanks for watching.